Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing files error on Fall Guys. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So if you're encountering this error while playing Fall Guys, it could be due to various reasons such as corrupted game files, incomplete installations, or other technical issues. So here are some steps you can take to try to fix the problem. First, verify game files. Most gaming platforms, including Steam, have a feature to verify the integrity of game files. In Steam, right-click on Fall Guys. In your library, go to Properties, then Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check and replace any missing or corrupted files. Restart the game. Sometimes a simple restart of the game can fix minor issues, including missing file errors. Check for updates. Make sure your game is up to date. Developers often release updates that can address various issues, including missing file errors. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling Fall Guys and then reinstalling it. This can help ensure that all game files are properly installed and not corrupted. Check for antivirus or firewall interference. Sometimes security software can interfere with game files. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and see if the issue persists. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Fall Guys. Insufficient hardware can sometimes cause issues. Check system for corruptions. Run a system file checker tool to scan for and repair any corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the command sfc /scan now. Check for overclocking. If you've overclocked your hardware, try reverting to default clock speeds. Overclocking can sometimes cause instability and errors. And lastly, contact support. If none of the previous steps work, consider reaching out to Fall Guys official support for further assistance. They may have specific solutions for your issue. Remember that troubleshooting can sometimes involve trial and error. Always ensure that you have backups of important data before making significant changes to your system. And that's it for this video. So if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix missing files error on Fall Guys. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!